Hi folks, you here. In this video I'm going to do an unboxing and overview of the US-48-500W PoE Plus switch. So to speed things up, I already removed this colorful product sheeting. So at the front of this we have the front product picture, and at the back, of course, we have some of the product features and specifications. So when you remove it, you're greeted by the standard cardboard box. I'm going to open right now to see what's inside of it. Okay, inside, beside of the product itself, we have the colorful product guide. That's nothing special, but nice to see. We have single power cable because this device has only one PSU, and we have standard mounting screws. Okay, let's take the product out of the packaging. Okay, this is quite a large switch compared to the 24-port 250-watt variant that I unboxed in previous video. The dimensions of this switch are 485 millimeters of width, 374.6 millimeters of depth, and 43.7 millimeters thickness. So what do we have here beside of huge housing? We have single piece front bezel with the rack materials already built in. We have standard LED status, and we have 48 PoE plus ports. These are all gigabit ports, and they support PoE plus, the PoE 80NF, and also 24 volt passive PoE. Beside of this RJ45 ports, we have SFP plus, two SFP plus ports, and two SFP ports. So we also have 10 gigabit connection, and beside of that we have one reset button. So on the side of this device we have the ventilation holes and fans. So here you can see we have two intake fans, and on the back, on the other side, we have two exhaust fans. One is blocked, and at the back we have console port and just single power connection. So that's my unboxing and overview of this UniFi switch. As of course as the previous one that I unboxed, this is also a layer 2 switch, and you can control it with the standard UniFi controller software. Evil signing out.